Hey friends, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. I don't have a ghost, just two dogs. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing okay and are excited for today's video. This is just gonna be a few days in my life, and I also share some tips on being productive while working from home, so stay tuned for that. It's a little bit later on in the video. I really hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me, so please be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel down below, and let's get right into it.
Oh, this one was
Making some pancakes.
This is older guy named Gary. Yeah, that.
Hi vlog, it is now Sunday evening. It's been a pretty low-key day, as I like my Sundays to be. My husband and I just watched some tennis and pretty much just been relaxing the whole day. So I just took a shower. We ordered some dinner, so we're gonna go enjoy our food. We got Chipotle, a couple of burrito bowls. All right, so we got a couple of bowls. We are watching tennis, of course, and just gonna enjoy our dinner. Hey guys, what's up? I'm just so freaking obsessed with that album. Oh my god. Pete, do you love it? Okay. We are on our lunch break. I got a package. Let's unbox. Polo, can you give me a little space, my love? Thank you. Stay right there. Okay. Today's Monday. Happy Monday. I had a little bit of a slow start. Well, it was pretty strange. I got up at like 4:45 and then I just couldn't fall back asleep. So yeah, I watched 10 Things I Hate About You. And then I got really tired around like 7, so I took a nap from like 7 to 8 and then I had to log into work. And here we are, I'm feeling better, feeling awake. All right, so let's just jump right into this little haul from Ulta. First thing I got was this hand cream from Philosophy. It is called Philosophy Hands of Hope. This is like a travel size. I wanted to get something small for my purse, and I have a moisturizer that I use from them that I really love. And so I was like, you know what? It was on sale. Let's try it out. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but it's fine. It has no scent, but it feels great. Okay, this is good for like travel, just to throw in your bag. I love it. And then also from Philosophy, I do use their Smooth Glow Multitasking Moisturizer, so I got another one. My husband and I both use this, and I think Philosophy was like 30% off or something on Ulta, so I got the huge one. This is actually pretty pricey, so I try to grab it when it's on sale. I got the really big one because, like I said, both my husband and I use this. I love this stuff. I feel like once I started using it, my skin just really cleared up and just, it looked really nice. I like how my skin looks when I wear this stuff, so I got more of that. Next thing we got, so this was also on sale. This is like very nostalgic to me. My sister and I always wore this. Viva La Juicy perfume. I honestly I can't think of the scent, but I know I love it. And when it was on sale, I was like, I'm always for buying perfume on sale. So let's give it a little spray. Oh my gosh, it literally smells like my adolescence. But it's very pretty. I like how this smells. So this is gonna look pretty on my little perfume shelf. I got a pack of Ardell Wispies. I love having these. They're just super easy to throw on. You don't have to trim them. They fit my eye perfectly. And they just have like a really natural but still really pretty look. I really want to wear these when we travel in a couple of weeks. I think it's going to be a good, like, minimal makeup with some lashes is kind of the vibe I'm going for. And then I also got some more brush on glue. This is the Duo. I prefer the brush on. I think it's just easier and cleaner as far as like the packaging. That's it. That's all we got. That's cute. I do like this perfume too because I believe it's 1 ounce. I can travel with this and won't have any issues. Other than that, I'm feeling great. I have a lot of energy. I feel good. The vibes are high. The energy is good. I'm just ready, looking forward to a good week. I don't know how I feel about these pigtails. I think they're kind of cute. I like that it's like an alternative to a low bun, low pony vibe, but it's still out of my face, still looks sleek and clean. I'm kind of here for it. I don't know. My husband liked it. Anyways, all right, so I'm gonna go take the boys out and then enjoy my lunch, so I'll check in a little bit later. Hello, good morning friends. Today is Tuesday. It's a little after 8. I'm wearing a crew neck. Okay, can we just have a moment? My house just felt a little chilly and I was like, you know what, let me throw on a sweater. I'm not normally that girl, but today I'm that girl. So I've been working since about 7:30, making my coffee right now, just taking a little coffee break, and I wanted to check in and say hello. Hope you guys are doing okay. I just have a good feeling about this week. It just feels good. It feels positive. I did want to chat with you guys about some of the things that I make sure that I do every day and throughout my week to make sure that I am successful and I'm productive. I've been working from home for about 2.5 years, and I will be honest, like at the very beginning, I struggled with being productive and finding a routine and just an overall workday flow that made sense and that allowed me to be productive and get work done. Probably like the first 5 to 6 months, I kind of struggle with it. If you are new at working from home, or maybe you've already been working from home, but sometimes you feel like you just struggle with being productive, I just wanted to share some things that have worked for me over the last couple years that really do help me stay productive while I'm working from home. First thing that I started doing, and it has really, really helped me every day being productive, working from home, a solid morning routine. I don't sleep with my laptop in my room next to my bed. My laptop is in a separate room across the house. And when it's time to work, then I go and get it. I wake up at least an hour before it's time to start work. Sleep Alyx and work Alyx are completely different. So I make sure to wash my face. I brush my teeth. I smooth down my hair. I don't always put makeup on. Sometimes I do. I do put on an outfit. So that's a big thing. It's usually athleisure or a dress or some sort of casual, comfortable outfit. Very comfortable, always comfortable. But I'm not in my pajamas. I separate sleep from work. So I make my bed, I get dressed, I get myself together, and then I start work. I'm sure a lot of us work from bed and have our computers in our bed when we wake up in the morning and just kind of log in and lay there. Like for my first couple months, I definitely did that, and it just wasn't good for me or for my work. So if you don't already, I definitely encourage you to have a solid morning routine and get yourself ready for the day as if you were leaving to go to the office. Number 2 sort of ties into that. So I know that sometimes our space is limited. If we live in apartments or only have 1 bedroom, whatever the case is, we may not always have a separate room for an office. Prior to living in this house, my husband and I lived in a very small 1-bedroom apartment in Atlanta. And then prior to that in Phoenix, we also only had 1 bedroom. Before this house, I didn't have a separate designated room that I used as my office. So I had to kind of create space somewhere within our 1-bedroom apartment to have as my dedicated workspace. If you don't have an office, that's totally fine. You still need to make sure to have a designated workspace, whether that be a desk. If you don't have a desk, then a table, your bar counter, like in your kitchen, just a space that you work, where you keep your supplies, where you keep your mouse pad, where you keep your keyboard or whatever you have. I personally don't use monitors. I do have 2, but I don't use them. If you have monitors, then you definitely want to have a designated workspace because you really can't move those around. That definitely does help me get into work mode, and I'm like, okay, in my office, or I'm at my desk, I'm at my table, I'm working, versus taking my laptop and going to the couch, I may be a little less productive. If you need to get up and take a break, that's what takes me to number 3. Number 3, now this may be the most important in a way, because let me tell you guys, when I was struggling in the beginning with working from home and feeling like I'm literally trapped in these 4 walls, like I'm losing my mind, I gotta get out of here. Like you just start to feel like, I don't know, like you're just kind of closed in. You work here, you live here, like you're here all day. And me personally, I don't really get out. I think that's why having that designated space is so important, because after work I can leave that space and go enjoy my home. Something else that really helps with the mental health aspect of it and feeling like you're going a little bit crazy is to take breaks. You have to take breaks. I have my Apple Watch that reminds me to stand up every hour. So please believe every hour I'm getting up, I'm walking to the kitchen, I'm walking to the bathroom. I have a bathroom right here, but when I have to go, I go to the bathroom in my bedroom, which is on the other side of the house, because I want to get a little bit of movement. I want to get a few steps in. Gosh, my husband just called me and messed up my train of thought. So I was talking about moving your body, getting up, standing up. It's so important. It definitely can create problems for us. Like if I sit for too long, my back starts to hurt. I start to feel like kind of achy and just stiff. So it's very important to get up at least once an hour, go get a drink of water, go get a snack, whatever you need to do. Go just look outside the window. I don't know. It doesn't matter as long as we're getting movement. On top of that, get up and stretch. Like I literally stretch throughout my entire day, because my back, if I sit for too long, my back starts to hurt and I start to feel a little bit achy. So I'm getting up, I'm stretching. I think that's so important, because if our body starts to feel like uncomfortable, that's definitely going to affect our productivity at work. And we're going to start to feel like, oh, maybe I want to go lay down. And then, you turn the TV on. It's a whole thing. I get 3 breaks a day, but if I need more, I'm gonna take more. Like if I need to go outside and walk around, I'm gonna do it. And for the most part, I think most companies support that, because we're all working from home and we're all just doing our best. But I know within my company, my workspace, they definitely encourage us to do what we need to do to feel comfortable, take care of ourselves, our mental health, our physical health, and also, that ultimately allows us to be productive and get work done, which is of course important to them. And then of course I have my dogs, so it's important that they go out throughout the day, which allows me to get some sunshine. It allows me to get outside and get some fresh air. So those are the 3 things. They're all very simple, all attainable and realistic, I think, for all of us working from home to incorporate into our day-to-day. And it really does help. Honestly, I feel like I like working from home now is like a breeze. It's a total breeze and I absolutely love it. And I'm very productive and I get a lot of work done and I'm pleased with it. I'm happy with where I'm at professionally. Just wanted to share. I hope that helped you guys if you're struggling or if you're new at working from home and are trying to figure out how to make it work and feel good. Try any one or all of those 3 tips and see if it helps. And with that said, I'm gonna get back to work, so I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. Hey vlog, what's up? Just checking in. It is the next day. I can't remember the last time I vlogged, but I just wanted to come on here and wrap up this video. It definitely has been a great week. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me these last couple days. I hope you enjoyed my tips on working from home and how to be productive. If you guys have any tips of your own that you use and have adopted throughout working from home, please share them below. That way myself and anyone else reading can get some more tips and insights on how to be productive. It doesn't seem like a lot of us are going back into the office. I know I'm definitely not. I really like working from home. Plus my headquarters are in Texas and I'm not in Texas, so there's that. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If so, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment down below and also consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye.